How to download Bug Bounty on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Bug Bounty on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and then just go down until you find download your information. And now wait, I need to delete this one. And now just click deselect all and then go down and click Bug Bounty and then go down and click create file and just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.